In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate UseAPI for Kling AI. If you're building with Kling AI, you'll need an API key to authenticate your requests, connect your apps, and manage access securely. In a few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly where to click, what to name your key, and how to copy it safely so you're ready to integrate without headaches. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Kling AI app. If you aren't already signed in, the site may ask you to log in first. Once your dashboard loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled API. Go ahead and click that. This is the entry point to everything you need for programmatic access. On the API page, you'll see a button or link that says Go to Console. Click it to open the developer console. This is where keys are created, listed, and managed, so you can generate new ones or retire old ones as your projects change. Inside the console, look for the option to create a new API key and select it. A simple form will appear asking you to name the key. This name doesn't affect the key's permissions, it's just a label for your own organization. Choose something descriptive and memorable so you can instantly recognize its purpose later. Think along the lines of production backend, staging CI, or design playground. Avoid including any private or sensitive details in the key name. Once you've entered a clear name, confirm to generate the key. The console will create your API key and display it for you to copy. Be sure to copy it right away because many platforms only show the full key once for security reasons. Paste it into a secure place, such as an encrypted note or a secrets manager, and keep it out of screenshots, shared documents, or public repositories. Treat it like a password and never post it in chat threads or code samples that others can see. That's all there is to it. You've just created a new API key for Kling AI. From here, you can use it in your development environment, set it as an environment variable, or add it to your application's configuration when you're ready to make authenticated requests. If you ever suspect the key has been exposed, return to the console to rotate it and protect your projects. Quick recap before we wrap up. Open the Kling AI app, click API on the left, go to the console, create a new API key, give it a clear name, then confirm and copy it to a secure location. You're now set to start building with confidence.